Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use the QR code feature in LiveWebinar. This option is a simple yet powerful way to make webinar access even easier, especially for users joining from mobile devices. Start by creating a new webinar room. Just click Schedule Webinar from your dashboard. Give your webinar a name, set the date and time, and hit the Schedule button. Once your event is created, you'll notice that a unique QR code is automatically generated and attached to your webinar. Want your participants to use this feature too? Simply create or assign a registration form to this webinar room. Now, anyone who fills out the form will receive a QR code directly in their registration confirmation email. It's a quick and modern solution to make your webinars more accessible, whether you're running them online, in hybrid format, or connecting with an audience on the go. Ready to try it out? Create your free LiveWebinar account today and start hosting smarter, more accessible webinars.